If you've opened a Krita file and seen the dreaded corrupted file error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few practical recovery methods that can help you get your artwork back. We'll cover how to repair the archive, how to recover the flattened image, and how to use backup layer files if they exist. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about why this happens. Krita saves your artwork as a Krita archive, and if the file gets interrupted by a power cut, a crash, or even a storage issue, the archive structure can become damaged. That can make the file look unreadable even when parts of your work are still there. The good news is that there are a few things you can try before you give up on the project. Our first method is the official zip repair approach on Windows. Start by making a duplicate copy of your corrupted file. This is very important because you never want to work on the original file directly. Once you've copied it, change the file extension from .krita to .zip. You can do this by right-clicking the file, choosing Rename, and replacing the extension carefully. Now, open that renamed zip file with a trusted decompression tool such as WinRAR or 7-zip. If the file still opens, look for a Repair Archive option inside the tool. The exact wording can vary a little depending on the program, but the goal is the same: rebuild the damaged archive structure so the contents become accessible again. After the repair process finishes, rename the output back to .krita. Once you've done that, try opening the repaired file in Krita. If the archive repair worked, your project may load normally, or at least partially, and that can save a lot of time and work. Now, if the file still doesn't open properly, the next thing to look for is the extracted folder contents. When a Krita file is unpacked or repaired successfully, you may find a standard system file called merged_image.png inside the extracted folder. This is extremely useful because it contains a flattened version of your artwork at full resolution. Even if layers are lost, this image can help you recover the visible composition and continue editing from there. To use it, open the extracted file folder directory and look for merged_image.png. Then import that image into Krita as a new document or place it into your workflow as a rescue copy. It won't restore every layer, but it can absolutely save your progress and preserve the main artwork visually. The third recovery method is checking for automatic backup layer files. Sometimes the active file becomes unreadable, but a backup version still exists in the same save directory. Open your normal saving destination folder in File Explorer and look for files that match the exact file name but end with a tilde symbol, like drawing.krita tilde. That tilde version can represent a previous autosave or manual backup snapshot. If you find one, duplicate it first, just to be safe. Then remove the trailing tilde from the file name so it matches the proper .krita format. After that, try opening it in Krita. In many cases, this gives you access to an earlier working version of the project before the corruption happened. As you can see, a Krita corrupted file does not always mean your work is gone forever. Start with the official zip repair method, check for merged_image.png, and then look for backup layer files in your save folder. One of these methods often gives you at least part of the project back, and sometimes it restores the whole thing. If this video helps you recover your Krita file, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.